So today we're going to be talking about how to convert your improper fractions to your mixed numbers. Now it's going to be fairly simple if you know how to do your long division. Now on this channel we've already talked about how to do long division, so if you haven't seen that or you need some refreshers, be sure to check out my playlist. However, if you can do some long division with your remainders, that's all you're going to need in order to convert your improper fractions to your mixed numbers. And we're going to see all that with a very simple example. So we're going to be using our division to convert this fraction, this improper fraction, 5/2, into its mixed number form. And we're going to do that by first understanding that this fraction, when you have it, you're really just saying your numerator divided by your denominator. So your numerator goes inside and your denominator goes outside. And if you do this long division, once again, with your remainders, you should be able to find your mixed number form of any of these improper fractions. So let's do this division. 5 divided by 2, we know that it's going to be 2, but not perfectly, which gives you a 1. There's nothing to carry over. So this becomes 2 with a remainder of 1. Our answer is 2 with a remainder of 1. If you did long division, but we're not stopping there. We need a mixed number form for this improper fraction. You're going to take this whole number portion, and that's going to be the whole number portion of your mixed number. Then you're going to make your fraction. Remember, you have your numerator and your denominator, and it's going to be next to your whole number when you have a mixed number. Make your fraction. Your fraction always has the same denominator. And you're going to bring this remainder to your numerator. Actually, went a little bit too far. Like that. So 2 with the remainder 1 means you have 2 as your whole number, 1 as your numerator, and you keep the same denominator. So 5/2 becomes 2 1/2. This is how you're going to use your long division to convert your improper fractions into your mixed numbers. So let's move on to a slightly bigger example to really drive this point home. Let's say we have this improper fraction. We have 315/2, and we want to convert it into its mixed number form. So we have our setup for long division. Your numerator goes in the box here. Your denominator goes on the outside. You're dividing your top by your bottom. We're not, once again, going to go through all the steps. If you need that help, be sure to check out my channel. We're going to do this pretty quickly. So we're starting in each part. 2 goes into 3 one time. You have 1, 5. We bring that down. Then you have 7. So you have nothing else you can do there. Bam. So 315, when you divide it by 2, is going to be 157 with a remainder of 1. We've already done our long division. Perfect. Now we use this answer to create our mixed number. We already said the whole number portion of this answer becomes the whole number portion of our mixed number. 157. We're going to have a fraction. It has to have the same denominator, and you put your remainder up top. So 315/2 becomes 157 1/2. Now, I didn't spend much time on this because that's not the goal of this video. If you need help, once again, there's other videos on this channel that shows you how to do long division like this. But I want you to understand that if you know how to do your long division, going from here to here is fairly simple. 315/2, your improper fraction, turns into 157 1/2, your mixed number. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you learned something today. And if you did, be sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. See you again next week.